Alright guys, this is Mike with Carfix Auto, and I should have came and did this with you guys because I was putting distilled water inside all of these because they were empty. As you can see, they're pulling up right now. But I closed the cap. It was 4 point something volts. I put water in and it's now 12.7 volts. So, as you guys can see, 7.4 volts. It's on the test. We're gonna go and do the charging rate. So I'm gonna put it at 2 amps, as you guys can see right here. I can put it at 15, or I can put it at 50, but I don't want to put too much stress on it. So I like to put it on the slow one. It's gonna spend overnight charging. It's going to analyze everything, and it's going to bring this battery back to life, all with distilled water, my friends.